we'll see about row numbers. Row numbers. Okay. Now, let's see. Look here. We have select star from student details, and I get all the details coming up. Now imagine I do not want all the details coming up. I just want, let's say, a 3 or 4 data coming up, just up till Tina. Manu, Vishnu, and I don't want. Okay, so you can specify the row numbers. Okay, so you'll write a query like this: select star from table name, where you write ROWNUM. This is a keyword. ROWNUM is a keyword. And then you give less than, like, imagine you need only 4 rows. We'll give it like this. So just copy this query. I'll put it over here. Okay, so less than 4 means you'll be getting the things just less than 4, which means equal to 3. Now, this less than 4 will only work. Okay, greater than number will not work for row number. Okay, so like, how many ever rows you want, you should be giving less than the just above number. Okay, so let's see how this will work. Less than or equal to 4. Okay, that will work. Similarly, let's say you're giving greater than 4. As I told you, you will have a problem over here. You will get no rows selected. Okay, so less than will work, and even less than equal to will work for roll number. Less than and less than equal to. Now the same thing, I'll just copy this. You can work in any query. Any query if you want to limit the numbers. Okay, I'll just copy this and I'll just go and randomly paste it somewhere. Let's say these are a few queries which, okay, I'll do it over here. Okay, so what was this query? Okay, it was a correlated query. It was a correlated query where you are finding out the employee ID and employee name. I'll do one thing. You're finding out the employee ID and employee name from employees, all whose salary is greater than the average salary. Okay, so before that, let me just check my EMP table. Select star from EMP. Okay, very good. I do have a table over there. I'll simply copy this. I'll paste it over here. Okay, I do have three employees, and Arati and QQQ, whose salary is greater than the average salary. Now I just want to see 2 employees. I don't want to see all the 3. So what I'll do is I'll paste my where over. Okay, I can write and where row num less than 3. Or I already have a where here. I need not repeat the where salary is greater than my condition and row number less than 3, because I want 2. I'll give less than 3. Okay, so I'll get 2, or you can either give less than or equal to 2. Both will give you the same answer. Okay, so in all your queries, you can very much place your row number. You even call it the top n, the topmost. Okay, the topmost. So this is how you work with row numbers. I'll go down. Okay, we were over here. One thing you need to keep in mind when you work with row number is when you're working with order by, group by, all these kind of queries, and if you want to work the row number, okay, I'll just write a simple query like select star from stu details order by sid s underscore id student id. Okay, I'm just ordering it in the ascending order of the SID. Okay, now 100, 123, 124, 126, 128, 333, 555. It is ordered. It is ordered in the ascending order with respect to SID. If you look into the original order, it would have been different. Okay, 100, 124, and then 123, 126, 128. This portion, it was jumbled up. It was jumbled up. And now I've just did a simple order by query where all the things are ordered with respect to SID. Now, what I want to do is, my question is, the ordered list, I just want the first three data. I just want the first three data from the ordered list, which means, I'll need only Rahul, I'll need Devika, Dhanya, Tina onwards, I do not want it. Okay, so the query is very simple. Okay, I'll write it in different lines. Order by where row number less than or equal to 4, because I was just telling you I need only the first three details. Now, this is where you need to keep or give attention to. When you are using row number together with order by, group by, you will have a problem. Simply when you look into this query looks very meaningful. Select star from order by where row number is less than or equal to 4. Let's run this query. Okay, you will get an error. Now, that is what I told you earlier. When you work row number together with order by, you will have to work with this as a nested query. Okay, so I'll write it like this. Select star from, this is my inner query, and then I need to place it in an outer query. Select star from, first you select everything, and then from that you will be taking the less than 4 rows. I'll just copy it. Okay, now when you work row number with order by or group by, this is how you have to do it. Okay, you'll have to have an inner query and an outer query. All other things you can simply give and together with your where condition. You simply give an and then you can decide upon how many rows you want. When you work with order by, group by, see that you have an inner query and an outer query to achieve what you